Back up. That sucked. That sucked big time. Good morning and welcome back to Cobra Vids. Today we're going to see what it's like to spend the day in the life of Cobra Vids. Well, on my days off, when I do get days off, I like to do little projects around the house that I've been putting off for a day off. Well, anyway, today we're going to, what are we going to do? Let's get started. All right, the first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to work on my F150. This is a 2006 F150 5.4 Triton engine. And overall, this is a great truck. I absolutely love it. Of course, with everything, there's things I hate about it. There's things I love about it. And as far as all the standard things that go wrong with this year and model truck, I've actually started getting a lot of the stuff taken care of. Like the 4x4 solenoid malfunctioning because of water pouring down on it. I got that solved. I've got the timing chain guides all replaced and taken care of. That problem was a significant job, but we got it done. I changed all of the valve train, the lifters. I've changed the rocker arms. I've done all the inspections there, but still, every once in a while I'll get a check engine light and it will have a lean code. So let's see what exactly our code reader is saying. Communication error. Oh, well, that's because my key wasn't on. First of all, I guess I gotta learn how to use my my equipment here. You know what? I think my flash is on. Let me shut that off. Okay, much better. Okay, so we're going to scan here. I'm going to say, okay, 300 random misfire detected. Oh, that's interesting. I'm normally getting a, there it is, catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Okay, this is the 420. Oh my God, my car is stoned. That's what the damn problem is, guys. My car is stoned. Whew, man. Let's continue on. Pending. Random misfire pending. How can one be stored and then one is pending? Interesting. Okay, so now we got to go through and find out what the causes of this is. Because this is interesting. But now, why would the evap system be flashing? This truck has been running for quite some time. That test should have already been solved. Okay, so here's the flash of my system with the random misfire. Okay. Look at that. All right, so that tells me where to start. I need to start on, first I'm going to clear these codes. Clear the codes, fire this thing up. Okay. See, this is something very interesting. Since I've cleared the error codes, I'm idling much higher. I'm idling more along the lines of where this truck is supposed to be, because with those engine codes in there and the computer readjusting for the issues it has, I was down about 500 RPMs, which is about 250 too shy. This is right, the angle's a little different because I'm up higher, but if it's looked direct on, it's just under that line right there. Up a little bit more. I'm going to start testing on the components, and we're going to go start with the MAF sensor. We're going to move to the O2 sensors and just do a full test. All right, guys, here's a short little video about the 2006 F150 5.4 Triton engine. This is the passenger side upstream O2 sensor. I've already loosened it here with a 22mm wrench, and I just tapped it with a large hammer and it broke free just fine. But my problem is getting it disconnected from that plug right there. Now, it's connected to a plug fastener up against this area here, I believe. Well, I'm just going to remove that fastener, try to bring it down some more, because right now it's in a spot where it is impossible for me to disconnect. So I'm just going to pop that out of its holder and try to bring it down this way to hopefully be able to undo that one. This is the hardest one of the whole truck. Okay guys, as you can see, as soon as I broke that free, I was able to pull it down further, like right next to this here. I can reach that just fine. I should be able to plug it back in after I get it tested. So once I get it down and out, I'll show that to you. Okay guys, this is the upstream passenger side, which is bank 1 of the 2006 F150 5.4. This was a bitch to get out, guys. So just work at it, keep working at it, be patient, and you will get it. Just pull that plug down from its clip. There's a clip that it was clipped to. I don't even know where it was clipped at, but it was clipped on there, and it's the other side. But once you break that free, and I probably broke it, it will never go back in that clip again, because I would have to have the engine out in order to clip it to it. It would be just too hard. So it's just going to hang free. There's nothing hot that really goes up in that area, so it's just going to hang free. But for the most part, see, look, I got cut and scratched getting it out. So it's a pain in the ass. But here's how to test. Okay, I've got paper clips jammed in the wires. There's a black and there's a gray wire right there. The black is the ground, and the gray is the signal. And you set it on your lowest volt setting possible on your meter, and you take a torch and you just heat it up. You just keep heating it up, hold it steady, and that meter will start to run up. As soon as it starts getting hot, it's around 600 degrees before this will show a voltage. And this is going to show, this should be real close to 1 volt. The other ones I tested go up to about 0.97 and hold. So that's really close. So you'll see that this one starts to rise. Fluctuates because I'm jiggling around the heat. Okay, so you'll see that, well, you can't see because of my light, but that will actually get red hot. It'll start glowing red. Let's get it all the way up. Okay. It's going to hit 0.97-ish. Whoops, I jiggled it around. Okay, so this is right where all of the others ride. It'll even go up above 0.90. There you go. And when you remove it, it should drop down pretty quick. Just like that. And that's pretty much a good sensor. Okay. Now, for my P0420 on the bank 1, which is passenger side. From my research, it says that the upstream, which is this one right here, the one that was difficult to get out, it would be the bad one if it's the O2 sensors causing it. If this checks out good, then I've got a bad catalyst converter. Okay, now I've got that upstream set up here. I've made sure that my connections are good. 0 voltage on here right at the start. So let's go ahead and start heating this one up. Might take a minute to get the voltage going. Got a negative there, but that's okay. It's still showing me a voltage. Okay, this thing is glowing red and I haven't hit 0.9. Don't think that's really a big deal. That was even a faster drop, you see that? And it's like almost immediate back up there. Okay, there's something weird about this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one on the other side because it's easier to get to. And if it turns out to be bad, then I won't have to hassle with this issue again. So I'm going to put this one that actually tested several times good in that very hard to get to area. These are like 60, 70 bucks a piece. So I'm not just going to go throw parts at it. I'll remove this again if this one happens to be bad, but I'll get it all reinstalled and then we'll come back and go take the truck for a test drive. My car is stoned!